And now we're gonna make some guacamole. Similar ingredients, except of course avocado. Here I will put in some jalapeno. I've got a really nice big clove of fresh garlic, and sometimes I use lemon, sometimes I use lime. We'll see what I cut first. Either one works well. Guacamole is really sort of a personal thing. Some people like it chunky, some people like it really smooth. I don't like mine too smooth. And all right, and then we have this ever battle with the avocado, right? Hard, not ripe, rock hard, oh, overripe, rotten. I know it's a challenge. So I like to feel them with the palms of my hands, not the fingers of my hands. That's gonna bruise your avocados. You ever get home, you cut your avocado open, and there's all these brown spots? That's because people went poke, 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 and they bruised the poor fruit. So try to just use the palms of your hands to see how it is. This one is not as ripe as this one. For me, I can tell when I go to put my knife in there. But because I like my avocado to have a little bit of my guacamole to have some chunks and smooth. I don't like it too smooth. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna scoop this one out. Whoop, it's gonna run away from me. Okay. And I know it seems strange, but I'm going to just roughly chop it with my pastry cutter. Shouldn't really be using it. Okay. Color's beautiful, flavor's beautiful. It's just a little bit not quite as ripe as the other one. What did I do with the other half? So here's the pit. So I just like to whack your knife in there, give it a good whack and turn, and then it comes right out. If you're making your guacamole ahead of time, keep your pit. Once you've made the guacamole, stick the pit in there and then cover it with plastic wrap right on the surface, not over the top. Like, get messy, stick it right on top, and it won't go brown because nobody really likes brown guacamole. Okay, so I'm putting in the other half. I wasn't sure if I was going to use both halves, but since we're here and it looks beautiful, you can never have too much guacamole, in my humble opinion. Okay, so that's the less ripe. This one, you'll see, is much riper. It's less vibrant in color. Still tastes good. Pit just falls out of that one because it's riper. Okay. And if there's brown, it's okay. Still tastes good. It's just not, you know, magazine picture perfect. But this is like real food for real people. Like I said, guacamole is personal. If you want it smoother, you can do that. Now I'm going to get to the jalapeno. And I want the flavor, I don't want a lot of heat. So I sliced it without any of the seeds. I'll use that for something else. And then dice it really small, because nobody wants a big piece of jalapeno. Well, some people do, but in general you don't. So jalapenos are known for their spice. Some are hotter than others. You can't really tell. So I always go with the less is more. Put some in and add more if you need more. Okay. I'm going to just stick this stuff off to the side. And once I've let it meld and once I've tasted it, then I'll know if I need to put more in. Okay. Garlic is a necessity in guacamole. Not optional, if you ask me. And if you put too much garlic, I know for me that sounds like a crazy thing, but it can be. And it can be hot or spicy if it's like overdone. Okay, so fresh garlic. That also came from my box. So the avocados came in my box this week, as did this fabulous cilantro. Now again, I am a cilantro lover, so I like to put cilantro into my guacamole. Now, just going to decided to go with lemon.